Welcome, nature lovers. Today, let's embark on a breathtaking journey to discover some of the world's most stunning waterfalls. Imagine the soothing sound of water cascading down majestic cliffs, creating a symphony that calms your soul. First, we find ourselves at the iconic Niagara Falls, straddling the border between the United States and Canada. These awe-inspiring falls are a testament to the power of nature, with over 3,160 tons of water flowing over its edge every second. Formed during the last ice age, the erosive power of the Niagara River continues to shape this natural wonder. Next, let's travel to South America, to the spectacular Iguazu Falls. Nestled between Argentina and Brazil, this series of 275 individual drops stretches for almost 2 miles. The sheer volume and force of Iguazu Falls are truly a sight to behold, as over 1,500 cubic meters of water rush over its edge every second. Legend has it that the falls were created by a jealous god who split the river in anger. Now, let's head to the heart of Africa, to the thundering Victoria Falls. Known locally as Mosi-oa-Tunya, the smoke that thunders, these falls on the Zambezi River create a mist that can be seen from miles away. At over 5,600 feet wide and 354 feet tall, Victoria Falls is considered the largest curtain of falling water in the world. The geological processes here, involving intense erosion and tectonic activity, have sculpted this marvel over millions of years. Across the globe, we find ourselves in Iceland, home to the mystical Seljalandsfoss. This unique waterfall offers the rare opportunity to walk behind the cascading water, providing an unparalleled perspective. Formed from glacial meltwater, Seljalandsfoss drops 200 feet and is a testament to Iceland's dynamic volcanic landscape. Finally, let's visit the enchanting Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. Plunging an astonishing 3,212 feet from the Auyan Tepuy mountain, Angel Falls is named after American aviator Jimmy Angel, who discovered it in 1933. The falls are fed by rainfall that collects on the flat-topped plateau, creating a surreal and mesmerising cascade. Nature's wonders never cease to amaze. Each of these waterfalls is a reminder of the Earth's incredible power and beauty. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep exploring.